Safeway produce cart load bearing caster replacement. You see we already got one on. What we're going to do is we got to put the caster on there, mark it with the black 2 dots so we know where to drill. Put your cart upside down. Easiest way to do it we found, so we don't like break our wrist. That way when it goes to bind on you, the drill bit, it won't go nowhere and you still have an area to drill completely through the caster. It's standard, we're using 3/8 bit, but it's standard 5/16 bolt and bit. Goes right through it, no problem. Again, 5/16 bolt nut, 2 washers, 1 for each side. You can either go up through the caster or come down through the caster. It don't matter because either way it doesn't touch the wheel.
People that fix the electrical parts, right? Y'all don't fix the electrical.
No, ma'am. There you go, all done. Nothing to it.